Welcome, guys. Welcome to everyone. Welcome to another wonderful section with me. It's your girl, Miss Faith Okusan, and today we'll be learning how to design this beautiful and stunning church flyer design. Alright, so let's get to our pixel lab. Okay, so we're going to change the size of our canvas. So for the width, we're using 1017. Then for the height, we're leaving it at 1280. Okay, so delete this. So come to background, change the background color. Alright, so the next we are going to do, we are going to come to import and bring in the background we'll be working with. Alright, so this is the background. Okay, so copy it, delete this first one. So we'll lock it. Perfect. Good. So the next thing we're going to do now, we're going to come to import and bring in the church logo. So crop out the parts we want to use. So I want to use this down parts, and I want to crop out this excess space. So I'm going to reduce it very well. Okay, good. So come to color and change it to black. Alright, so using our position button, I want to position it properly. Okay, so come to text, come to edit, type in the name of the church. So the name of the church is 12 God's Grace Ministry. Alright, so reduce it. Come to color, change the color to white. Sorry, to black. We're using a black color. Alright, so we're still going to reduce it. Good, so come to fonts, we change the fonts. The name of the fonts we're using is Montserrat Semi-Bold, this one here. Okay, you can see the space between them is too much. We'll come to line spacing and reduce the line spacing between them. Alright, so we're going to position it properly using our position button. Okay, let's still bring it down a bit. Alright, so we're going to copy it again, bring it to this other edge here, come to edit and type in present. Then we'll now increase the size of this present. 20 is okay. Alright, perfect. So the next we are going to do, I'm going to type in the theme of the program, the main headline of the program. Come with a new text, come to edit and type in reaching, increase the size. Come to fonts and change the font. So I'm using this white tone here, this one. Okay, come to color, gradients. Okay, so this is the gradient color we'll be using. Good. Okay, so we'll come to shadow. We enable the shadow, reduce the blur radius to 0, give it offset X and offset Y. Alright, good. Sorry. The offset X should be 1 and offset Y should be -1. So we're going to position at the middle. So we'll just copy it, come to edit and type in light. Okay, so we're going to bring it down, increase the size. So using your relative position, it should be at the center of our workspace. Okay, perfect. let's reduce this light a bit. Okay, it's okay now. So come to text, come to edit and type in 4D. Then you're going to put it under this space here. Come to color, change the color to black. Then after changing the color to black, we'll change the font to this white stone. Then we'll reduce the size. And place it inside that space. Okay, reaching for the light. Good. So we're going to come to import and bring in the light effects. So this is the light effects we'll be making use of. So we'll reduce it and place it inside this G. Okay. So come to opacity, you just reduce it a bit. Or we should just leave it like that. Good. So the next thing we're going to do, we're going to bring in the minister's picture. So we're going to bring everything at once. You're going to click on this, your imports 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have all our minister's picture here. So we're going to start reducing the size and positioning them well. So I'm going to crop out this one for this minister. I'll bring it down. In this one, I'll crop out the top parts that I need. I'll reduce it and bring it down. For this, I'll do the same. Alright, so now let's still reduce this papa's picture. Okay, good. So I'm going to start arranging everything now. So reduce this one first of all. Just reduce it. Copy it, delete this first one. Then we're going to place it here like this. Then we'll bring this one for the next minister. Bring it on top. Okay, so copy it. Delete this first one and use this one copied. So for this one, just increase it. Let's lock these two so they will not be moving. Alright, so increase this one. Copy, delete this first one. Alright, so bring this papa's picture to the front and place it like this. Copy, delete this first one. Alright, good. So it's now time for us to adjust the whole picture very well now. So there shouldn't be space at the back of their head. So note that there shouldn't be space. So there shouldn't be space. Alright, good. So let's enable our grid line. Let's check if they are all sitting on a straight line. No, they are not. So we're going to arrange them. Their head must be touching that line. Okay, so now we have them on a straight line. So I'm going to highlight all of them. I'm going to select all of them and move them at once. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to blur the edge. Let's lock everything, lock all the 4 pictures here. So I'm going to blur this part here. So I'm going to come with a shape and create a gradient. A fade gradient. Come to gradient. Okay, good. So I'm going to use to blur the edge like this. Perfect. So I'll copy it again, come to edit. I'm going to change the color to something like a light blue. Alright. So I'm going to place it under like this. Okay, good. So make sure you lock them so they will not be moving. Perfect. So the next we are going to do now, we're going to come in with our text and start writing in the names of the minister. So apostle. So bring it down, come to color, change the color to black, come to font, change the font to Montserrat bold, then highlight just apostle and change it to autograph. Good. So reduce it, go to line spacing, reduce the line spacing between them. Okay, so let's see the size. So give it center alignment. Alright, come back to font, highlight the name. I think this Montserrat bold is too bit too much. Let's give it semi bold, this one here. Okay, oh, that one is more better. Let's leave it as Montserrat bold. So we're going to place it on this part. So copy it, bring it down, come to edit, then type in the second minister's name, Joshua Sema. Copy it, bring it down. For the next minister, come to edit, Arume Osai. Okay. Copy it, bring it down for the next minister. Just be careful. Come to edit, Emmanuel. Okay, so we're going to enable our grid line. Make sure that the text, they are all sitting on a straight line too. Okay, so everything is going to sit on this line that I just enabled. Alright, so you can see they are all on a straight line. So I'm going to come in with a shape where I'm going to type in the time of the program. Come in with a shape. Come to color. Let me just give it a single color. Alright, so I'm going to position it properly. Let's make this color a little bit lighter. Alright, so come to inner shadow and enable the inner shadow. then reduce the opacity. Okay, so making use of your relative position, make sure it is at the center of the workspace. Alright, so come to import and bring in our calendar icon. Alright, so this is it here. We're going to reduce it. Then change the color to white. Say reduce it, just say reduce it. Then we'll place it inside this shape. Okay, perfect. So come in with a text, come to edit and type in the date and the time of the program. Okay, so finish typing in the date, the time and the date. So we're going to bring it down. We'll change the color to white. Then we'll go change the font style. Montserrat semi-bold. Alright. Perfect. So we're going to copy this text, copy it, then type in, come to edit, type the address. So okay, so we're going to bring it down and we'll change the color to black. Reduce the size, just reduce it very well. Okay, so we're going to move everything up a bit. This space here is a little bit much, so I want the space here to be wide too. So I'm going to come to my layer panel. We're going to highlight the text we want to move, starting from reaching, lights, for, and everything. Just highlight everything. Alright, perfect. So we are done with design. So we'll come to save as project, give it a name, then you save as an image too. Do not forget to save your work as project. Then we'll go to our editing app to do our editing. Okay, so we're using our Snapseed app for the editing. Okay, let's bring in what we just finished designing. Alright, so we'll come to pop. Just wait for it to load. Okay, come to tools, come to toon image, give it brightness 5, ambience 3, warmth -10. Good. Tools, come to details, structure and sharpening. Alright, so this is it. So come to export and save your work. Then you're done with your design.